Data.
Data.
So much data all the time. Marketers are inundated with data. So how are you working with teams to coach and advise them on culling the data out there and pulling what they need to tell a meaningful story?
So as we look at data, the thing that we want to do is really think about the moments that matter. And we identify these moments by looking at the journeys, understanding, for example, when a patient might be talking to a doctor, when a key decision is being made. I will prescribe this. I will not prescribe this. So we want to make sure that we know what those moments are. So we look at all of that data, but then we also look at what are the competitors doing. The competitors we know sometimes are going to heavy up in one place. So we look at their data to understand where there might be white space and where there might be opportunities for us to have sort of more bang for our buck for the brand, if you will, get a broader share of voice.
With decreasing budgets and smaller staff, how can marketers make the most out of their available resources?
So what we're seeing a lot of marketers do in terms of available resources right now, they invest in using AI to determine how to get to broader audiences with more messages. And so what that means is we can reach more people with more accurate messages. You still need the humans, of course, to do the creative, come up with the initial insights. But then AI can think about the subtleties, can recognize people's habits, and take that information in an omni-channel world and serve it up more dynamically.
So you mentioned AI
Yeah.
and the use of that.
Yes.
So when you're applying your creative resources, can you expand a little bit on those particular areas that you're going to be using the creative resources to get the most value?
Yes, absolutely. So to get the most value, creative still has to do the creative portion of the work, but then AI can think about who are the broad audiences that we are addressing, what are the mini messages that we have to think about, the different combinations, and help us to write some of the content more quickly, which allows us to be able to address more people more specifically so that they will move along in their journey.
So now let's talk a little bit about the future. What's happening now and then the future? Are there any new trends or technologies that are reshaping the customer journey? And to that point, anything in particular that you're excited about?
Beyond AI, I think the thing that gets me the most exciting right now is quantum computing, which means computers that will work even faster to be able to serve content, to recognize who they're speaking to more quickly. So what that means is the speed of marketing is going to be able to happen faster than ever with AI, with, creative insights. We are going to be able to reach more people, get the accurate messaging to them, get them excited about a product based on what we know about them. And so for me, it's just the speed at which it's happening is going to be really exciting.
Looking ahead, what do you foresee as the next big opportunity for creative impact in pharma marketing?
I think that that will be addressing audiences based on who they are. We see a lot of diversity initiatives coming to light. I think we're going to be thinking about end users' mindsets, who they are as individuals. You'll see things that, for example, you'll be able to think about skin color when you're looking at dermatology. Um, Again, the ability to talk to more end users in the voice that best resonates with them is, to me, the biggest opportunity for creative and pharma. I think we'll have an opportunity to reach more people in a way that impacts them.
Well, thank you, Casey, so much today for sharing your insights with us.
Thanks for having me, Maria. It's a pleasure to be here.